Today I'm here to introduce SimplyThick EasyMix and show you how to mix and use it. First, measure 4 ounces of water into a glass. In this case, we are using a nectar packet. Use the tear notch located on the colored end of the packet to open it. Start at the other end and work the thickener out of the packet. You can see it comes out very easy. Then take any handy utensil, a spoon, fork, a whisk, even a coffee stirrer or a straw, and mix until it has thickened, about 30 seconds. Towards the end of the mixing, you're going to feel the liquid become a little bit heavier on your stirring utensil. That's one way to know the thickener has been well mixed into your beverage. And here is the final product. Next, we have 32 ounces of juice in this pitcher. This time we will use a honey packet. Once again, use the tear notch in the colored region of the packet to open it. Start at the other end and work the thickener out of the packet like rolling a tube of toothpaste. You can see it comes out very easy. Then take a large spoon and mix for about 30 seconds. You can pour what you need and store the rest. Finally, we will use the bottle and pump system to make nectar thick beverage. Take 4 ounces of water, add 4 full complete pump strokes of SimplyThick EasyMix. Then take any handy utensil, a spoon, a fork, a whisk, even a coffee stirrer or a straw, and mix until it has thickened, about 30 seconds. And the beverage is thickened and ready to use immediately. SimplyThick EasyMix is a revolutionary new thickener for the dysphagia market. It's super easy to use and to mix with any utensil, even a spoon. Here you can see just a small sampling of the beverage that SimplyThick EasyMix will thicken. Coffee, tea, beer, milk, wine, juice, soda, ice cubes, and even ice cream. SimplyThick EasyMix is a liquid already. There is no powder residue, no powder lumps, and no standing time to allow the beverage to thicken. And also with SimplyThick EasyMix, beverages maintain their consistency. You can prepare beverages ahead of time and store them as long as your local open container regulations allow, usually 72 hours. SimplyThick EasyMix comes in 3 packaging styles. Each packaging is designed to make preparing beverages as simple as possible, and all are pre-portioned. Packets come portioned to produce nectar or honey-thick liquids. You can choose individual packets to thicken 4 ounces at a time, or our bulk packets thicken 32 ounces at a time. To produce pudding-thick liquids, you simply use 2 of the honey packets. Next, we have a 2-liter bottle and pump system to produce any consistency of a 4-ounce beverage. 1 full pump stroke is used for nectar thick, 2 full pump strokes are used for honey thick, 4 full pump strokes are used for pudding thick. You can also use the pump to make beverages in greater quantities than 4 ounces. There's a chart on the bottle label showing you how many pump strokes are needed for the desired consistency. SimplyThick EasyMix products are tested to comply with the standards of the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative. Our labeling includes the IDDSI terms, as well as the traditional terminology of nectar, honey, and pudding. However, for simplicity in this video, we are using the traditional terminology only. As we've demonstrated, SimplyThick EasyMix is simple, easy, and quick. You can go on our website and see monthly or seasonal specialty drinks like milkshakes, frozen margaritas, and many other drinks for special occasions. We also have instructions to make Jell-O, ice cream, and pureed food.